If you've been trying to buy a home but keep running into problems, bad credit, no savings, or getting denied, you're not alone. Most people give up right here, but the ones who push through, they get keys to their home. Today, I'm breaking down exactly how you can turn things around and finally get approved for a mortgage, no matter where you're starting from. Look, let's be honest, buying a home isn't an overnight success story. You're not going to wake up one day and magically get approved if you're not financially ready. But that doesn't mean it's impossible. You need decent credit history. Forget about your FICO score. If you've got major derogatory marks, the system cares more about what's in your credit history rather than just a number. I get it. Everything is expensive. Groceries, insane, rent, even worse. But you do need something for things like closing costs and reserves. Your debt to income ratio is everything. It's not just about what you make, it's about what you owe compared to what you make. Here's what I see all the time. Someone comes to me and says, I want to buy a house. And I check their profile and boom, bad credit, no savings, debt everywhere. And here's what separates the winners from the quitters. Quitters say, oh well, I guess I'll rent forever. Winners say, all right, what do I need to do? I'll be back. And let me tell you, I've had clients who proved me wrong. When I first saw their credit, I honestly thought, man, this is going to take a miracle. But they came back 6 months and a year later and qualified. So the question is, are you willing to put in the work or are you going to quit? If you've been denied or just getting started, here's what you need to do. Collections, late payments, get on a plan. You don't need perfect credit, but bad credit will hold you back. Even if it's small, no, you don't need 20% down, but you do need some money. Down payment assistance exists, but it's not free money. You still need to be financially stable. Your monthly debts compared to your income will decide what you qualify for. If your DTI is too high, cut expenses or increase income. This is where I come in. I'll tell you exactly what to fix, and if you follow the plan, you'll be holding those keys before you know it. The only difference between people who own a home and those who don't, winners push through obstacles. Quitters let obstacles stop them. So if home ownership is your goal, don't stop. However long it takes, let's get it done. Drop a comment below if you're ready to start the journey and hit that like button if this video gave you some motivation. And if you need help, apply now using the link in the description. See you in the next video.